Hi friends, in this video, let's see this question on power equations. A three-phase wound rotor induction motor is to be operated with slip energy in the constant torque mode, When it delivers an output power P naught, delivers output power P naught at slip S, then theoretically the maximum power that is available for recovery at the rotor terminals is this is we want, right? So let's see here, the output power is P naught. For example, input power is Pi, and we know that the rotor input, rotor output and rotor copper losses relation. Generally, the recovery at the rotor terminals is nothing but rotor copper losses. How much it is? S times of the rotor input. The recovery power is S times of the rotor input. The recovery power is at the rotor terminals is S times of the rotor input. But here the answers are in terms of rotor outputs. Rotor output answers. But we want in terms of rotor input. Here rotor input is nothing but Pi. Rotor input is nothing but Pi. Rotor output is nothing but P naught and rotor copper losses. This is the recovery power, that is S times of Pi, but answer should be in terms of outputs. I said you here, rotor input Pi is equals to, what is the formula? Rotor output plus rotor copper losses. From this, rotor output is equals to, what is the formula? Rotor output is equals to rotor input minus rotor copper losses. These are the relations between the power losses. So here I want rotor input to substitute here. What is the rotor input? Output plus losses again. Or for example, let's see here, rotor output is equals to rotor input minus S into rotor input. Rotor output is equals to rotor input minus S into rotor input. Nothing but rotor output is equals to rotor input into 1 minus S. From this, rotor input is equals to, rotor output by 1 minus S. Rotor input is equals to rotor output by 1 minus S. You can get this answer from anywhere. Okay, so finally rotor input is equals to output plus copper losses. Nothing but output is equals to input minus losses. Input is the Pi, copper loss is the S into Pi. So output is equals to this much, input is equals to this much. Now we want the recovery power. Recovery power is nothing but the copper losses. So rotor copper losses is the rotor recovery. So P naught, substitute here, S into Pi. Pi is equals to P naught by 1 minus S. So rotor copper losses is equals to S into P naught by 1 minus S. This is the recovery power. Where is the answer? This is my answer. Rotor output into S by 1 minus S is the rotor recovery power. Slip times of the power especially. Right? This is the question on power equations. Right? Thank you.